How are you? Now, I want to tell you the long A sounds. Short A sounds, ah. But the magic E here can change the sounds of letter A from short sounds to long sounds. From A to A. Long A sounds, A. Try to read this word. Hat, hat. But if you add letter E, we will pronounce hate, hate. This word, mad, mad. And now it will be made, made. This tap, tap. And now change to tape, tape. Tap, tape. Mad, made. Got it? Now can you read these words? Fake, fake. Late, late. Gate, gate. Date, date. Save, save. Face, face. Long A sounds, A, A. Like our new word today. What is this? Cake, cake. Long A sounds, K, C and A. Cake, K. And in the end, the magic E. The magic E make letter A long A sounds. K, we said K, K, and the magic E silent. K, K, cake, cake. Bye.